In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default board labels in Monday.com. If you're looking to personalize your workspace or simply improve your organizational system, customizing these labels is a fantastic way to start. First, up on the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice either your profile picture or the Monday.com icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a drop-down menu, and from there you should select Administration. Once you're in the Administration panel, you'll be presented with an array of categories designed to help you tailor your experience on Monday.com. Our focus today is on customization, so go ahead and look for the Customization option and click on it. This action will lead you to more specific settings where you can personalize your boards. Now, under the Customization menu, you'll find an option labeled Boards. Click on this, and you'll be directed to a section displaying the list of default board labels. These are the labels typically used to categorize tasks or subjects within Monday.com boards, and having them tailored to your needs can vastly optimize your workflow. In this section, you have the flexibility to add new labels that better fit the categories you frequently work with. Suppose you don't find some of the existing default labels useful. You can delete them entirely. Furthermore, you have the opportunity to select specific colors for each of the labels, which can be an incredibly effective way to visually distinguish different categories at a glance. Once you're satisfied with the additions, deletions, or any color changes you've made to your board labels, it's crucial to ensure that these changes are saved. Just scroll down the page, and at the bottom, you'll find a Save button. Clicking this will confirm and apply all the modifications you've worked on to the board labels. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully changed the default board labels in Monday.com. By following these steps, you've taken significant strides toward creating a workspace that is uniquely yours, aligned with your personal or team's needs. Customizing these details can greatly enhance not only how you organize tasks, but also how you visually process the information, making you more efficient at a glance. Tuning the Monday.com environment to better fit your workflow doesn't just improve productivity, it empowers you to streamline your processes, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Remember, customization is a powerful tool, not just for aesthetics, but for functionality. With a personalized setup, you'll find that managing your projects becomes a more intuitive and rewarding experience. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity and efficiency with Monday.com.